Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add logo in your Canva app. Firstly, open the Canva app. Now tap on the plus sign at the bottom right. Now tap on Instagram post. Now from here, you can choose a template that you like. Now I'm just going to select a picture and adjust the size. Now Canva is a very helpful graphic tool which can help you edit a lot of things. In this particular case, we can paste a lot of pictures on each other and adjust the sizes. I'm gonna select my logo now and upload it. Once the logo is on the picture, I'm just gonna adjust its size. Let me shrink it a bit and bring it to the bottom right. Let me add another picture. And there you go. I think we are done here. Now just download the picture by tapping on the download button at the top. Once you have saved it, you can find this picture in the gallery. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.